Hi, this is Jerry Jenkins. I'm going to show you the fastest way to install Java JDK on a Macintosh. This is much faster than other techniques you probably used. We're going to use the Open JDK from Oracle, which has no agreement you have to agree to, and you don't have to create an account with them. You just go to jdk.java.net right here, and you'll see the latest version here. So you just click on the latest version, and it'll start a download when you click on Macintosh tar GZ, and I'll speed up the download. Let me switch to my downloads folder. That only took about 30 seconds. I'm going to double click on the downloaded file. That will expand it into a folder. Now we need to move this to another folder inside the system. So the best way to do that, or one way to do that, is go to the Finder file, do New Finder Window. Move it so you can see the folder that we just downloaded. And then in the New Finder window, we're going to right click on your username at the top title bar. Go to your Macintosh HD, your top of your system. Go to Library. Find Java. Find Java Virtual Machines. And we get to this place. I'll go to this detailed view. So you can see this is /library /Java Java Virtual Machines. This is where it puts your new versions or old versions of Java. So any time you install, you can just copy the folder here. You can see there's an older version here. If you ever want to get rid of a version, just right click and send it to the trash, and that'll uninstall it. So it's very simple to uninstall too. So we're going to install 15, and we'll keep the old version as well. So what the Mac does, it sees that we're copying a new version in, so we have to authenticate. And it will automatically set up the path for you, and it's all set to use. So let me close everything, and then we'll show you how to use it. Okay, now that we've installed the JDK, let's test it. So I'm going to go to Spotlight, look up Terminal. And once in Terminal, I can see if it's there by typing the command Java C, which is the Java compiler command, --version. And you see it's there. Let's write a simple program. So I'm going to use Nano, which comes with the Mac, hello.java. And this is a simple editor. You can see control keys down here to do different things. So I'm just going to type it in, and I'll speed this up. Okay, and then to save it, I'll do Control O to output to a file, hit Enter, and Control X. And we say ls, you'll see it listed and see it listed hello.java, so that's the name of source files. You compile it by saying Java C and the name of that file. And now if I do ls, you'll see it's added a hello.class, which is the compiled file, and to run it you say Java hello. And there it goes, hello YouTube friends. So you can see that you can run it. Once it runs here, you can install any of the common IDEs, InteliJ, Eclipse, Visual Studio Code, and Netbeans. I've tested in all those, and it'll work fine without running. You do not need to set the path or Java Home.